Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special beetroot recipe, Kerala style beetroot coconut fry recipe. We just need only 20 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then keep it low flame and add 2 red chillies cut into halves, 6 chopped shallots, some curry leaves, 2 cups of chopped beetroot, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 green chillie slits, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid and stir it. Cook for 2 minutes without closing the lid. Stir it every 30 seconds to avoid burning.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can switch off the flame. Our beetroot coconut stir fry recipe is ready. Since we use coconut in this recipe, keep refrigerated to use next day. Don't keep beyond 1 day.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.